Every crime scene tells a story. But here's the thing, the story was happening long before the detective arrived. In research, some data works the same way. It existed before you ever picked up a notebook, before you designed your study, before you even had a research question.
This is what we call naturally occurring data, and understanding it changes everything about how you approach your work.
Here's a test. Imagine you wake up tomorrow morning and you call in sick. You're not going in. Now ask yourself, would the data you're studying still exist without you?
If the conversation still happens, if the document still sits in that archive, if the meeting still takes place, that's naturally occurring data. The scene was already set. You're just the detective who arrived later.
Naturally occurring data takes many forms. Conversations between people who would have had them anyway. Documents written for purposes entirely unrelated to your research. Meetings, debates, social media posts, courtroom transcripts, letters, diaries.
None of it was produced for you. None of it was shaped by your presence. It was already there, waiting.
Compare that to researcher-generated data. Interviews, surveys, focus groups. These only exist because a researcher showed up and asked.
The data was manufactured by your presence. That's not a flaw. It's just a different kind of evidence. But knowing the difference is what separates a careful investigator from one who doesn't know what kind of scene they're standing in.
In this series, we're going to learn to read scenes, to find data that was never meant to be found, to ask the right questions about where evidence comes from and what that means for what we can claim.
Welcome to the Research Detective.
My job is to reconstruct the scene of the crime.